Hey guys, Anel Tunes, the African Mixmaster, back in another tutorial. And today I'm here to show you this amazing plugin called the GW Voice Centric. This was made in collaboration between Waves Audio and Greg Wells. And this plugin has almost everything that you need for your vocal chain. It's an amazing plugin, sounds very sweet. I really love its reverb and its doubler because I don't have to go and route reverbs and doublers in case I'm doing something very quick. It just gives me instantaneous results there and then. Like you can see, we have the sensitivity knob here. The sensitivity knob, there's really a lot that is going on behind this knob. There is compression, saturation, there is EQ, a lot is really going on. It's better you just try to play with it and just push it up and see what it does. I normally leave it between 50% there. Anywhere around there, you see we have a delay, we have the doubler, we have the reverb. And the reason I love these particular plugins, these particular presets here, or what they call parameters here, for example, the delay, they're all treated. The delays have their highs rolled off so they don't distract the listener from the lead voice. And also the reverb has the highs rolled off and some lows rolled off. So it just gives you what you would have done if you were to put an EQ after a reverb or an EQ before a reverb, or the same on the delay. So you all have it done for you right within this plugin. So let's have a listen to this recording here without the Greg Wells.
He loved me so much that he gave his only son. Without thinking twice, left his glory and came down to seek and save that which was lost in the ways of the world, not to judge.
Very good recording. And then this is my plugin if I'm to power it on, just with this normal setting. If I'm to reset it, say full reset, it takes off everything. I'll power the reverb on and give it, say, 50%. I'll power the doubler on, I'll give it at around 7%, -7. And the delay, I'll put it at 50%. Yeah, and then I'll put the sensitivity knob also to 50%. Just trying to look for a place to start, and let's listen.
He loved me so much that he gave his only son. Without thinking twice, left his glory and came down to seek and save that which was lost in the ways of the world.
Wow, amazing. Just by that, if I'm to play with the music, let me see how it sounds like.
He loved me so much that he gave his only son. Without thinking twice, left his glory and came down to seek and save that which was lost in the ways of the world, not to judge anybody, but fulfill the law, and they said.
Just by that, I feel it's enough. I love the delays, I love the doubler, I love the reverb. Please try using this plugin. You'll be amazed and you'll be surprised. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click that bell. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.